Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW A80s and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on Advanced and enter Reset options. And as you can see at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. Let's tap on it. Then let's tap on Reset Settings. Of course we will have to confirm everything with our pattern, and here we've got the information that you cannot undo this action, so be aware. And then tap on Reset Settings. Now we have to wait, and as you can see we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.